Namaskar. Welcome all the kids on Vandana's Art YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn a story of a naughty boy, his lamb, and I'll tell you little later. Okay, so let's start. So there was a naughty boy. This is the face of naughty boy. Draw an oval, draw two eyes, two dots, one line, two ears, and his hair were very much disturbed, like he never used to comb properly. So this is the face. So this is the neck of the boy. This is his t-shirt. If you want, you draw any design on his t-shirt. These are his hands and these are his legs covered in paint. This boy has a stick in his hand. Shall we cover the face of the boy? We can color with little peach color his face, ears, neck and hand. If you don't have peach color, use yellow color. Now, let me make his t-shirt sleeves blue color. T-shirt orange, fluorescent orange. I know children love fluorescent colors. Let him wear a dark blue pant and his pant has some design. His shoes were black and his hair were also black. And he was wearing red color socks. He went to jungle with his sheep. So this was the sheep and this boy was taking his sheep to the jungle. Actually sheep is white, but if we will show white color on white paper, it won't be visible. This was a smiling sheep and it was favorite of this boy. I'm making it round to show little furry. Then, when he was in the jungle, he thought, let me make everybody fool. Let me shout that there is a jackal, there's a jackal, there's a jackal. So, he got this idea and he started shouting, there's a jackal, there's a jackal, there's a jackal. So, all the villagers came and they all said, if there is a jackal, then we will help you. We will save you and your sheep. But then they found there was no jackal. He was trying to make everybody fool. So villagers got very angry. They went back home. Okay, and this boy thought, oh, I made everybody fool. I'm so intelligent. I made everybody fool. Another day, he took his sheep and this is his another sheep. Again, sheep was going for grazing. The boy was with the sheep and they went to jungle. So again, boy was there with this sheep and other sheep. Then he really heard a very scary sound. Very scary sound. Can anyone tell me how hyena speaks or how jackal will speak?
Ma'am, it is whoo.
Okay, tell me the sound again.
The sound is whoo.
Ooh. Now, what happened? This time, he was carrying with him 3-4 sheep and he was not careful at all. And there was one more. So let's draw one more. Now let's fill the color. First the face, Have you seen the sheep?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In front of my house.
In front of your house? Where do you live?
I live in Kolkata.
Oh, you live in Kolkata and there are sheep?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's very interesting. When I'll come to your house, will you show me?
Ma'am, I've seen sheep in mountains
Yes, even I have seen in mountains.
when I was 5 years old.
Oh,
And ma'am, last month we went to Kalimpong and there also I saw.
oh, that's interesting that you have sheep in front of your house. Okay, so this time when this boy was taking his sheep to the jungle, so he really heard this sound and he couldn't make out that what is this sound. Then he was really scared and he didn't know what to do. So here in between the sheep, this boy is standing with his unruly hair and let me change the color of his pant. Let it look more colorful. So this day he was wearing a red color t-shirt. He had only one pair of socks. They were his red socks. Black color hair and black color shoes. And here we can show some button, some design on his shirt. So when he heard the sound, ooh, then he really thought, what is this sound? Should I call somebody for help? So he started screaming, villagers, villagers, please come, help me. There is a jackal, there is a hyena. Somebody come and help me. Help, help. But nobody came. They all thought that he's telling a lie. So actually there was a jackal and nobody came to his help. They all thought other day we went and he was telling us. And then he was laughing that, oh, I made you all fool, I made you all fool. So this time nobody came to help him. Then what happened when it was started getting dark and he didn't come back home, then some of the old people thought, what happened to him? Let's really go and check. Where is he? Let's go and check. So they went to jungle and they found him crying under a tree. So they asked him, what happened? Why are you crying now? So he said, I called all of you and nobody came to help me. So they said, what happened? Why did you call us today? Yesterday you called us and we all came and then you were making our fun. That, oh, I made all of you fool. I made all of you fool. So that's why today nobody came. We thought that you are just playing the game again. He said, no, it was not a game again. Today actually Jackal came and he ate my sheep. Then everybody felt very bad. But they told the boy, see, you were telling a lie yesterday. That's why today nobody believed you. Everybody thought that today also you're telling a lie. So you should not tell any lie any time. If you will tell lie one day, then nobody will believe you, isn't it? So we should not tell lie. If first day he would have not told lie that there's a jackal, then next day everybody would have come to help him. So what we have learned from this, that never tell a lie. Always speak the truth. Whatever is the truth, always speak the truth. Okay, never tell a lie. So what is the moral of the story? That never tell a lie, never try to make anybody fool, because once you are telling a lie, then people will stop believing you. They will think, oh, every time this person tells a lie. So we should never tell lie. Did you like the story, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad.